just woke up. It's almost 1. No, because I went to bed at 4. I went to bed at 4:30 last night. And it's raining. Probably raining all day today. And since I'm up here in Noosa, I thought I might as well film my first video. Don't mind the way I look, I don't always look like this. But here we go. Let's put it together. That's my breakfast, but I'm Dakoa, I'm 16 years old, and I'm from Sydney. Yep. That's kind of it. I like music, dancing, singing, fashion, cooking, and I'm about to start a new school. Down to the beach. Basically, we're going down to some kind of cave somewhere that apparently I've been to and having a picnic for my dad's birthday. And this is Sea Dog.
Hi.
Going up that hill. What? Ew. So apparently we're going up this freaking ass hill. There's lifeguards out there. I think someone's like dead. So I was gonna make a YouTube channel as well. I don't know about Marie and Justin. Oh, jellyfish. That's gross. Yeah.
Is it safe to go around to the Paradise Bay?
Actually into the caves at the moment it's not a good idea because we've got a rescue going on
Oh,
there.
in the cave there. But you know that little cave there?
Oh, the further
Yeah, I
around.
think that's
Oh, the beach that's on the other side. Yeah, I mean just
cave, is it around there?
just over this bit was the cave. That's where we've got a bit of an incident happening at the moment. But as far as I know, the beach further down, that should be fine. Just keep an eye on conditions. Just look after yourself.
There's a helicopter, there are boats, there's an incident, there's like a landslide. So something's happened. I don't know. Freak, man. We're on a trek. We're on a trek for real. I'm puffed out already. Oh. It's hot. It's like, what is it, 20, almost 30 degrees. Oh no. Oh. That's straight up. I'd be huffing and puffing. Whoa. That's where we're going. Back when we're like setting up or something. dead and it won't work and I can't use it. But look at this. That's kind of great. I'm gonna change into my swimmers and go in because it's so freaking hot and I'm sweating so much. Oh. Let's go. Last night I was shaving with my dad's shaving thing that he doesn't use. It's like an electric thing. And under here it's really, really smooth, but it's really itchy and I hates it. And also like it was bad. I didn't like it. Oh, we're making banh mi now. That's very good. I'm full because that was bus. Also, whenever I come up to this freaking place, my lips, ooh, they get all sore and bubbly and mainly just sore. Like, look, I'm in pain, bro. And it's only when I fly up here. Like, this never happens in Sydney. Anyway, I'm ready for some mango actually. Now I want mango, like actually for real. And my dad was just saying how, oh look, there's a shark. I think I just saw a shark. Okay. Bro's like really trying to fish out a fish. Oh yes. It's really juicy. My hands are covered in juice. Area in the water and my dad is just standing on the very edge of a rock trying to fish a shark or something as well. Anyway, so I was just walking here thinking about all the microplastics and whatnot. But did you know, I had no idea that these cuttlefish, I couldn't find a proper one, but cuttlefish bone things don't come from a fish. I thought it was like a flathead fish and this was the flat parts of the head. It comes from an octopus. Like, who knew? Because I didn't. And I looked up cuttlefish and it was a weird, it was like a squid. And I was like, that's a saying, you've lied to me. So here they are. I'm back.
There we go. Closest city to Barcelona. They're amazing.
I'm ready to go. Let's go. I got home hours ago and made some cookies. So let's eat my cookie. Actually, no, we gotta plate it up first. No plates. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, there's a Reese's peanut butter cup inside of there. And I don't think the peanut butter melted, but the chocolate did. So now there's just a peanut butter chunk in there. Now it's like a lumpy little lump. That's the peanut butter. Let's try some ASMR. You probably go, oh, whoa. That was good. That was a lot of peanut butter though. That do be gonna go so. We really didn't do much today, but we're out for dinner now. I'm gonna get a salami. I got a pineapple juice because I really couldn't focus on what juices they had. I went through the whole list in my head and I really couldn't think. I'm so ready to eat this, but I'm sweating and it's so hot and it's so humid.
Meat and the factory farms industry, so that's why I gave up meat. When really I shouldn't have done, because really the book.
I should have done that.
I was a strange child.
You were a strange.
Actually,
I like
I'm
it.
quite normal, really, but
I like
I'm not, but I am. I just like when I see people like him, I'm like, why are there these people that?
Big bite?
Yeah.
Oh, get him! It's a big bream!